Hi, folks. It's Dan again with West LA Computer Expert. I'm going to do a tutorial today on how to install uh, Bing ChatGPT, even if you're on the wait list and haven't been selected yet. It's a very simple process. So if I open up Edge here and do a quick search for Edge Insider, here's a link to the Insider program for Edge. And I think it's available to anybody. I had no problem installing it. And I just download the dev channel, accept the agreement, and here's my download. This is Edge we're in, accept, run the download, and depending on your system, usually a very quick download, and then you're going to have uh, Edge, Bing ChatGPT. So I can close that, and here we have it uh, in the developers Edge Insider developer mode, and you get this little icon in the right corner with the B. And if you open it, you have options of. I think this is how it's going to look in the real. I haven't seen the version that's not the developer version because I'm still on the wait list. But I have been using this Insider, and this is what it looks like. It gives you the chat, um, asking anything. I was just going to ask it like what. Uh, what does a PC tech do? I'm a PC tech, as you can tell by my channel, and we're looking at chat, and it's searching. Searches the web, unlike ChatGPT, from which is only programmed up to 2021. But this gets current answers. Uh, Here's my answer. This is someone who maintains and troubleshoots computer systems and hardware, and then it gives you some suggested questions to follow up. Um, Even if you're looking for a PC tech, you can click on um, that follow up, and it'll search for local PC techs who you can contact for support, um, which is really useful. I love the way it's designed, and here's my answer to be a PC tech. Didn't really give me. Oh, it gave me requirements. Maybe I clicked on the wrong one. Um, it just follow up on what a PC tech is all about, at telling you what the qualifications are. The other option is compose, so you can write essays and uh, resumes, YouTube scripts, all the rest of it, like you can in ChatGPT. So, how about write a YouTube script about PC techs, and then tone professional, casual, enthusiastic, informational, funny. I'm going to say informational, and so this would be a probably a blog post that's closer to the category of a YouTube script. And the length, short, medium, long. If you want with a medium length script, it'll give you some results. And you can copy. Here's a script I may or may not use for my channel, and a little copy button here. Copy the script. Um, the third option is insights. So these are just searches, generalized searches. These are haven't really experimented with insights, but these are videos aimed at me based on my viewing history. What do you think about this new feature? Oh, this is probably feedback um, on this Bing ChatGPT. How about I don't really understand what Insights is about, but I haven't been using it. But anyway, that's what you get for the Insider edition, and you don't have to be on the wait list forever. You can go at it right away. I'm Dan again. Hope this has been helpful. Um, like the video if you got something out of it, and comment if you have any comments. See you next time.